Good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome on our webinar. Welcome everybody who joined us on Zoom, on YouTube, and Facebook and LinkedIn, and everybody who's watching us live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is our second day of the webinar, but I hope you will also enjoy it as well. I'm Joanna, probably remember me after last webinar. This is my colleagues from our new colleagues and team. Michał, you
Hello.
might remember him also, and Bartek,
Hi.
our new colleague. Today we are going to present you our new product that we have been working since last couple of months, which is very something unique, something special for this webinar today. However, we will be discussing about details and more about this product a little bit in a
Depth.
while, yes. And today, first, we would like to start with thanking you for a very good year. It was a good year for us, for our customers, for our cooperators, as far as we know. So we would like to thank for this opportunity and also for the opportunity to develop our products and our service. And I will leave you with guys, and I will go downstairs to be in area of the trailer, which we will be later talking about. And right now I'm gonna leave you with guys, with my colleagues, and they will be discussing a little bit more detailed about the idea of the mobile solution. So good luck, guys.
Thank you, Joanna. Thank you for introducing us. And hi, everyone, once more.
Hello.
We are really excited to be here with you today. This is a special webinar with the beginning of spring. We are revealing the new product, game-changing product. As we all know, our reality is grounded in entertainment and advertising industry, giving a lot of opportunities and the business growth possibilities. So having that said, we also are aware of the fact that it's been tough lately for entrepreneurs, and running a business costs a lot
That's true.
these days. So we have come up with an answer for this, having produced a new and optimal mobile solution with a very low entry threshold, low entry level for those who haven't been in the industry yet, and also for those who already appreciate mobile solutions. But before all of this, before getting into that, we are going to discuss the whole idea
Of course.
of mobile screens. And of course, after this discussion, we are going to get down and
Head over to Joanna.
head over to
She's gonna
Joanna.
tell you
She's
about
going to reveal the product.
Yes, of course.
And today's meeting will last around 40 minutes. And at the end, there is going to be a section for the questions from our guests and visitors.
So don't hesitate to answer those questions. The comment section below is for you guys. And
Yes. All right, so let's jump right into the discussion about why mobile. Why
Okay.
mobile solutions are better than others.
Okay, so we're going to compare mobile solutions to the standard classic construction, which is called the truss.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the construction of aluminum frames on the
Yeah.
on the scenes, on the concert, on the events that you see, where the stage is compiled of.
Yeah, this is a screen supportive structure you
Yeah.
often see at the concerts, events, and well known for most of you.
Yeah, so where the difficulty with the structure begins.
Yeah. So
Tell us.
let's describe the whole story associated with truss construction. Well, at first it starts with storaging the unit for sure. It is out of many pieces, steel frames, profiles. You need to have space to storage that. You need a warehouse. So putting it against mobile solutions, well, it might be troublesome.
Yeah, of course.
Also-
Another thing is
Yeah.
the transportation, the logistics,
Yes.
let's just say, because this is not the kind of construction that you're going to put on one truck and go to the event and unload it with the help of a couple of men of yours.
Yes.
But I believe that with this large structure, you're going to need a couple of vehicles. So
depending
that's
on
gonna
the
cost
size,
you.
yeah, depending on the size of of the truss, you would have to need uh, at least 3 up to 4 people, 2 or 3 vehicles. Sometimes it requires more workers. It's going to be troublesome to have it delivered. It is heavy. It costs you a lot of time and also labor, so you have all the things needed to be delivered on spot. Well, considering this story and also having this against mobile trailers, well, you can save a lot of time, because if it comes about the trailer, mobile trailer, you can just park it whenever you want, put it aside, and that's it. It's easy for transport. You just need one driver to have it attached to the tow bar, and go to whenever you like and go towards your event.
Okay,
Well,
Michael,
now,
I see that
yes,
we can
exactly.
introduce our viewers to the chart, which
Yeah,
shows that actually
yeah, it is showing
how
us
much
what you
time,
just
yeah, how
described.
much time do we need for unloading, preparing, and again folding down the trust
Yes,
after the event. So we've compiled a chart that says it's gonna be approximately of 6 hours. Next slide is going to reveal, in fact, how much time do we need with our
yes,
mobile
just
LED
look at
solutions.
this. Look at this significant difference in time, how much you can save. Well, not to mention that you need qualified workers to do so, to do the job with trust. For preparing a mobile trailer, you just need one person. It doesn't have to be a qualified person. You just need the guy to be trained with our trailer, and it is done. Basically, around 20 minutes, and the screen is ready to go. And also to folding it back, it's like around half an hour. Compare that to truss construction, you save a lot of time, and time is money, right?
Okay, so Michael, I would like to address one major point, I believe,
Okay.
because we've talked about this before we went on air, that in difficult weather conditions, that could be a problem for a truss construction. That it's
Yes.
still there while the weather conditions are, let's just
Yes.
say, not good for your performance. Okay, how do we deal with this with mobile solutions versus the truss construction? Please tell
Well,
us.
talking about screen supportive structure, you need to calculate the weather in upfront.
In advance, yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
So if you miscalculated the weather conditions and the wind gusts are too strong, there is no way you can have it folded. You can have folded back like in around 15 up to even 30 minutes. It's just going to be too late sometimes
Yes.
to avoid falling the screen down. So um, having said that, if you have mobile LED trailer, you just push the button, pull back the outriggers, and 20 minutes you can put it aside, drive it back there, and you feeling
Park in a
safe.
safe place.
Yes, exactly. So this is one more advantage over old truss construction idea.
Hmm.
Yes. So having said all of this, we just see clearly how many advantages mobile LED trailers are bringing against
Over the
truss
standard
structures.
truss construction.
Yes, exactly. Moreover, sometimes if the wind is too strong and you'd like to help yourself out, you sometimes need to extend the whole structure or
Yeah, you have
weight
to
it up with
stabilize, of
some
course.
water. So you
Hmm.
need to think about water source nearby,
Hmm.
and all the
Okay,
time you need
so
to
you mean,
supervise the whole
yeah,
unit.
you need a water source for filling up those heavy, big containers of water
Yeah.
that you sometimes see on the concerts,
So
on the
if you don't
events.
have
Yes,
any
right.
external source, sometimes you have to deal with the fire department, right?
Yeah, in some
Yes.
cases that may be true.
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
it's
Exactly.
rarely the thing, but it may happen, of
Yeah.
course. And okay, so can we talk about how, because we've calculated before the return of the investment of the mobile
Yes.
solutions.
I'm glad you pointed that
Mhm,
out.
okay.
If we can ask you for
Next slide.
displaying the
Thanks.
exactly the investment return of the trailer. So considering the saving you are getting in comparison
Mhm.
to truss construction, where you have labor cost, time, vehicles,
The fleet
qualified
you have to,
workers,
yeah.
the fleet, all the water sources
Warehouse
construction,
costs.
warehouse, and all
Of
of the
course.
things, and comparing that to our mobile LED trailer, not even mentioning about the event booking,
Mhm.
you can have your investment paid off in around 1 year or less.
Yeah, because we've estimated that in one good year of your business,
Yeah.
you can cover at least 50 to 80 events, right?
Yeah, I
So
didn't
this is the
include
base.
here
Yeah.
the bookings. If you're getting like between 50 to 70 bookings
I'm sorry,
a
50
year,
to 70, right?
right? You can even have this investment return in around few months. You know,
Mhm.
so this is a really a game changer here in entertainment industry. So
Okay.
well, having all of these advantages considered, this is the future and this is the way to go in this business. So this is the great solution for those who haven't started yet, and
Of
also for
course.
those who already appreciate the solutions of mobile LED trailers.
That is correct. Okay,
Yeah.
Michael, thank you for the sum up of this
Yeah, that was
section.
a pleasure.
I believe our colleague Joanna is ready downstairs
And
for you
yes, we are
guys.
now going to reveal to you our new product. So hope you guys impatiently waited for that. We
Enjoy it.
also have. So Joanna, are you ready there?
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is our simplet, a light version of the regular platform that we offered in regular, and we still offer in regular sale.
Dobra.
The simple set of the simple trailer with the most important features with a very good screen. The screen size is about 14 square meters, which is about 153 square feet. Pixel pitch is 4. The screens are from long run. And okay, let's take a look in the back. So we're going to talk about the construction of this simple unit. As you can see, the screen is made on the very simple construction, which is the supporting bar. The supporting bar keeps all those 3 lines of the enclosed rental fixed cabinets, and everything is hung on the one bar. I think Kuba, my assistant, today's assistant, can start to show how to falling down. So what we start here, we start with the mast. The mast here is manual. You have a special tool which stables and fix the rotation. He just took it off. Now there is another manual tool which rotate the whole mast. He's just adjusting this on the right position to close it. Again, he's fixing the position of the mast. So as you see, the safety first here. Then he unlocks the safety pins for the mast in case of something happens with the hydraulic system. Also, we have thought about those special little details like a step on the mast to get on the upper part of the mast. A special place also for those manual tools. And the next thing is he's using a wired wired controller, which will be folding the screen down. As you see, everything goes very smoothly, and the hydraulic pump here is powered by a regular car battery, 12 volts, sorry. This is just a battery that you can buy in every market, every shop actually. You have it in your car. Okay. So the screen is down. Always remember about assisting with securing the cables. We always have to do that with every of our units as safety first, so nothing happens. Also, a little item, a little detail here. There's even this remoter has his own space. We have magnesium on the back of this remoter to put it over there. So nothing can be lost, nothing can be destroyed. The next step is Kuba just disconnected upper part from the lower part, which is just one cable, and that's it. Now he's disconnecting the cable from the video controller. The video controller, it is included. It is included in the set of this trailer. However, this trailer, as we made it very simple and very, well, the most important items only that are required here. So you just can put it on the trailer, under the trailer. You can get some waterproof rack for yourself, or we can get it for you, and you put it on the side. However, there are no racks included here, just to make this trailer simple and easy, and fast in production as well. Okay, so Kuba just folded the cables here. And now he is going to start with disconnecting the screen. This screen, as I mentioned, is based on the enclosed fixed rental cabinets, which means that everything is covered and everything, we are sure that nothing is exposed outside, everything is closed, so a little bit more security here is saved. Also, Kuba is disconnecting the power. Right now we have the American version here, so don't bother about those cam locks, because this trailer is being prepared to be shipped to States, to Infocom show in June in Orlando, where we will be showing this trailer. And now he is disconnecting the screens. As you can see, he's unlocking the cabinets with one tool, with one key, and there, inside, is the turnbuckle. The turnbuckle has to be turned off, and then with another tool, he will be disconnecting the screens, the cabinets. And there will be 4 of such a turnbuckles. As you see, this is very easy to make, nothing special, no special tools are requested. Everything simple, easy, and light in work. So why Kuba is disconnecting the screen, which will take him maximum 2 minutes, I will talk about the mast again. That the mast, as I said, it is manual adjusted. Also with, of course, with the safety pins, so you don't need anything extra. Everything is really saved, made. The next step that we have here, and we should mention here, is the floor, which is different than in regular trailers. The floor is made in the corrugated steel, which is also waterproof, slippery proof, rust proof. The whole frame is also made in steel, the same steel we are doing and using for our regular trailers, which is galvanized and powder painted, sorry. And powder painted, yes, difficult word. Okay, Kuba is almost done with this. The next thing that we should also mention here is the outriggers. Outriggers here are fixed. There are 4 of them. Each of them has load capacity for 3 tons, which is about 7,000 pounds. The whole weight of this trailer is 3 tons only. So as you see, those outriggers are really, really strong. Also in production, the cables that you see here are supposed to be hidden inside. We just made it for this webinar purpose. We showed them outside, however, they will be hidden. Okay, and the last one, turnbuckle. Also, meantime he's doing that, I can also mention about the axles here. As I said, this trailer is flexible. It can be used in the European market and also in American market. So the only change that we have to do here is to exchange the axles. the length of the trailer, the width of the trailer matches in American standards. They fit with US DOT and also with European standards. Okay, so what we do now is we have the screen disconnected, and Kuba is using again the remote controller. The screen goes up, and again, with that manual tool of rotation system, he's just easy going rotate the upper part of the screen. He can make it with even one hand, it's so easy. Always remember about securing the cables if there are any extras or if there aren't any left, like here. Oh, everything goes smoothly. Okay, and again, he will be fixing the rotation system, hiding the tools. Please note that for every of those hand manual tools, we have a special place. Each centimeter of this trailer has a special purpose. There's nothing which is unused, which is not necessary. Okay, and now he's closing it down. I would like the camera guy to show how smoothly the screen goes down. So construction is made really really detailed. Another difficult word. Oh. And as you can see, no extra assistant is required. Everything goes really smoothly, really easy going. No special work to do. And we all done? No, not yet. Couple of more seconds. It took us like, I don't know, I didn't watch on, I didn't look at the clock, but like what, 10 minutes, not even? And everything is ready to go. So, I think we can talk about more details with you guys on the chairs. And right now, I think I mentioned about everything. If I did not, then please remind me this on the sofas, and I will be right back with you guys. Mike, to you.
That was a wonderful presentation.
Yes, wonderful presentation and great product. Wow, all in one. The screen assembled on the trailer, very simple. Pretty screen with excellent resolution, P4, rotatable mast, high quality steel, galvanized 355 quality steel. Yeah, this is something.
Yeah, that is what I like it the most about our trailer, because as the name suggests, the simple LED is the thing that you only gonna need for your events, for your concerts, that will guarantee that make the job done, get your job done. So there's
Welcome
not.
back.
Hi. There's no extra features, but those features that are necessary for you to work with.
All right. So if you would like ask our friends behind the cameras to show the chart of the dimensions, technical details. Right. Here we are with simple details: trailer width, length, weight, and unfolded trailer height. Power supply is a three-phase. Screen size, as you can see, is almost 14 square meters. Wind resistance here. So pretty much all the basic details, and most of all the details and technical ones already have been described by Joanna. And wow, now we're gonna reveal the price. So maybe let's talk about money.
Okay, so Joanna, go
Are you
ahead.
sure you want to talk about money now?
Yeah, let's do it
Yes,
now.
I'm
Let's
sure.
do it now. Yeah, people are
Did
waiting.
did I not forget about nothing?
I have a question. Did you tell our viewers about the car battery that is
Yes, I
needed
did.
only?
We
Okay,
have a
so-
just a
I mentioned-
regular
Uh-huh.
just a regular battery from the car. Okay, so price, right? Money.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Money.
this set with the screen from the factory, with our support of after sale service, with our
Okay.
assistance of any cases that something happens after it leaves our factory, with our assistance in arranging the transport, and also with what else would do, with free training in the factory. The price for the total set is 44,000 euro, which is 47,500 US dollars. And
Yes,
Yeah, that's not all.
but
and
it's not all.
that's not all. The price includes 2 years warranty. But if you place the order before 10th of April, the price is 15% less, and we give 1 year extra of the warranty.
Wow, that's
That is
really
something. Yeah.
excellent and very impressive offer. So you are basically
Okay, so the final
getting,
offer is
yeah,
around 39,000 euros.
yeah, it's less than 38,000 euros for European
38.
market
Okay, I see.
and 40,000 for dollars for American market. Having all in one like that, the screen on the trailer
Yes.
with so decent brightness, resolution, mass
We did
rotatable.
forgot about
Yeah,
mentioning the brightness, which is 5,500 nits to
yeah,
6,000, which is also, in such a size of the screen, the quality of the vision is very
yes,
good.
yes. This is
So
very good
in
and
such a money,
dynamic. This is
yes.
a great refresh rate here, which is exactly 1090 hertz, so giving you very dynamic image, very bright,
Picture.
vivid,
Hmm.
and with an excellent resolution. So don't miss the chance because this offer is available only till 10 April.
So it's very
For
limited, only for you
yes,
guys who enrolled to this webinar.
yes,
Okay, so
exactly. And
use the
there's
chance and yeah, and
yes,
save your money.
yeah. Having said that, I think this is now time for this section of question and answers.
Yes. So if you guys have any questions that we didn't mention during the presentation, we will be very grateful.
Yes, we're also aware of the fact that many of the details have been already revealed along with the presentation. But if there is anything you'd like us
To
to
answer
ask, just let us know. We are really happy
everyone on
to
the YouTube, Facebook.
right.
Yep.
Yes. So we will be happy to answer all of the questions.
Are you guys hearing us at all?
Are you having a good reception? Just
The
what is the
voltage for
voltage?
US
Yeah, the question
version.
from Tony Kessler. What is the voltage for the
Kessler.
US
Hi, Tony.
version? Hello,
Um,
Tony.
it's 32 amps, which is for the this is the Camlocks, just the regular Camlocks, 32 amps. Sun. What's
Dan
the
Perez, how good is the screen in full sun? Well, having the brightness with almost 6,000 nits, I think you would need
There will be
have
no
the
problem
yeah
at all.
the level of the
having-
brightness would be not even have to be at the full brightness to have the screen and the image being displayed very vividly. So don't worry about the brightness. All right, is there anything else? We can already let you know that some people have been asking about power generator. Yet it is possible to have the power supply as an external from power generator. Although we cannot have it on board, you can have it aside, and basically you can have it supplied by the power generator this way.
The resolution, the pitch, it's P4.
Yes, the pixel pitch is P4, 4 millimeters pixel pitch. It is the distance between the diodes, so it's giving you really decent resolution. So, of course, you are not watching the screen from a close distance, and even for small crowded places, and when there is not many people, or even there is a bigger event, the resolution is still very decent here.
We have
Delivery times is 3 months, as regular our units. But 3 months. This is something which we at this moment can confirm. Of course, that this time does not include the delivery, especially to states. because we are struggling right now with a huge problem of ships, not enough ships to states, and however we are working on it. But we do confirm that at this moment 3 months for getting the trailer ready is for sure.
Yeah, there is a question from Dan Perez. Most generators in the US are not three-phase. Will it work with a normal generator? Yes, it will. We have an answer from our friends behind the cameras that it is confirmed, yes, it would work. The, all right. How
JC?
well? Yeah, the question from
Uh-huh.
JC. Maybe you can take this one.
Yeah, of course.
Bartek?
How well does the screen do in a salt air and high temperature environments? So I believe the IP grade is 65. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
So
I'm not sure if the IP refers to the salt and high temperature resistance, but we will answer this question along in our newsletter because we will have to have a glance into
But we can
more
give an
specific.
idea. Our products are already delivered in north of Scandinavia,
Yes, you're right, Joanna.
in Russia. Also, we have our trailers in
Australia, for example.
Africa, Australia, or South America states. So believe me, high temperatures, salt air, it's not a problem.
Yes.
Everything is waterproof.
Because this is basically the outdoor screen type.
That's
Of
correct.
course.
Everything is outdoor, meant to be used. So this is not an issue here.
Rick McConnell, what is the estimated delivery cost to the United States? Well,
This is also
Joanna?
my subject that I'm struggling for last couple of months, weeks. Um, Cost depends on the way we're gonna ship it. Are we gonna ship it by container, which is a little bit problematic at this moment, or by Roro ship, which is also problematic, but well, this subject must be considered individually, depending where you would like to have it delivered, to which port or to which door, to which state. However, the individual price for delivery will follow, because at this moment we are not able to confirm it because of the global situation with difficulty of availability of these ships.
well, it is possible, but we need just to individually
Yes, of
estimate
course.
that,
We,
right?
we are delivering regular trailers every month actually to states, so that's not a problem.
Yeah.
However, the final price for this unit must be considered.
It finally depends on the direction
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
of course.
in US there. Yes. Are there any more questions for from you guys? Pascal. Hello, Pascal. We are very interested. Please email your offer. Well, we are happy for having your interest.
We will send you the offer,
Of course, you are going to get the
Angebot
offer.
und die Bildschirme by mail. To use.
You mentioned that it will work with normal generators. Is there an option for the screen to be converted to use 120V generators? Yes, we already. Yes, we already have a detailed answer from our friends behind the cameras that these screens are matching
Compatible.
the comparable with the 120 and the European 230 V electric power type. So it is adjustable. We just need to clarify the direction of where the screen is supposed to be delivered. So yes, it is possible if you like to have 120 V generator.
Okay, Dennis asked a question about the registration of the trailer that goes to France. Yeah, there is a possibility. Yes, of course. Okay, I've got an answer from our colleague behind the cameras that yes, it is possible. We're going to deliver a registered trailer to your country.
We are in the French system, so we can register that in French
Yes.
system.
Without any problems, it can be registered.
Does
in
it
there.
come with speakers? No, it does not. As I said, this trailer comes only with the most important features, with the most like the most
The most
important
common.
Yes.
features. Speakers is something which you could add up by yourself. However, the price does not include that.
Yes, you probably would have to have it boarded on the trailer, as the wings are not possible to have it hanged on the screen, because the screen is not with a frame. It is hanged
Yes, it would be
over the
it
profile from the mast,
yeah.
and yeah, that's basically it. So you could have your speakers on board on the trailer.
But of course, we can consider that with our construction guys. However, this is something optional, which we have to consider if it's possible. However, the idea of the simplet is to make it simple, to send it just as it
Yes,
is, as
it's
it is.
simple but yet very functional and durable.
Okay. Do you have any more questions?
Any more questions from your fans?
Okay.
Anybody?
So,
YouTube, Facebook. Anybody?
coming back to the offer once
Yes, of
again.
course it can work upside down in Australia. So yeah, that's the fun
Are
one.
discounts
That
and
was the
extra
funny one.
warranty available for your enclosed version? Yes,
GC.
and okay, and JC, this is a good question. This is just something that I just wanted to start talking about. As you guys know, the global situation forced everybody, not only our company, not only our brand, to increase the prices. We didn't do that for last months, even if we were forced to, but we didn't. We were our CEO was holding that decision. However, really, we are just forced right now. The only thing that we are able to do now at this moment is for people who will place the order for the units, whatever platform, mobiles, our standard our standard trailers or the simplet, we are giving this old prices. Of course, the 15% of the simplet and prices that we still have. However, after 10th of April, we are increasing our prices for regular products for 10%, which is not something huge, but we are forced, like all of you guys, probably the same. You have the same decision to be made, and this is what we have to stand in front.
Yeah,
course.
but for those who will place the order until 10 of
10th of April.
April, and not only for Simplet but for all the
Yes,
previous
yes.
and other offered trailers from our fleet, the price from the previous season, the still old price will stay the same, so you can benefit from the old price for all the product, and also you can have the Simplet delivered with 37,400 for European market and 40,375 USD dollars for American market,
With extra year of
with
warranty.
extra year of warranty. So for all of you guys who are participating in this webinar, you are getting a lot of benefits. So don't miss that, because this is really a good, affordable chance to save a lot of money and get extra benefits here.
Of course. There's another question from Dennis. What is the price of a trailer if you put our screen on it? Actually, our trailer comes as a whole package. So the platform, the trailer with our screens, this is the whole unit. There's no
The
possible.
simplet.
Yeah, the Simplet,
Simplet, yeah.
talking about this one all-in-one solution we just unleashed
Yeah, the
today.
simplet is only meant to be with this long run 13.8 square meter screen, Pixel
Yes.
P4. Our other units like platform LED, mobile LED, mini platform LED,
Yes.
of course they are meant to be also and installed and can be installed with your screens.
Yes.
Another question from JC.
Well, does the warranty also include any effects that the screen may be subjected to in a high salt air environment, like an island in Caribbean? Oh well, basically the warranty terms include some misfunctions of F-diodes that do not happen often, and I believe high salt air environment is not something any manufacturer foresee as a
As a threat.
as a foundation or a threat to have the warranty being issued. So I believe not.
Very
Yes, as our friend behind the camera is just saying, the idea of Simplet is to be so simple, so durable, and yet functional. There's nothing
And remember
to
that,
be
yeah.
damaged or spoiled.
And even if something happens in Caribbean, then remember that you are getting also 5% of spare parts.
Yes, I'm glad you
So in
pointed that
case of
out.
something happens, you
Yes.
still can, you can still exchange it. How many are coming to Infocom in June, and are they already spoken for? We're gonna show this simplet, this trailer that I just showed, and also we are going to show the new mobile LED with extended control room. This will be the first time we are showing this in the United States with 21 square meter screen
Although we already sold many, it is very popular
in Europe.
uh, in Europe, and many of our customers appreciate already this product. And more people are getting the unit with advanced control room, letting you have place for three person there,
Yeah, many
all the
options.
dashboard
Yeah.
with the video controllers and so on. So this is a really a great feature to have in the mobilet.
So at Infocom, we're gonna show really the new, only the best, newest
top-notch
options of the
trailers of
trailers.
ours.
Yes.
Tony, are you gonna be there?
Okay, there's a question from Corey Gray. What is the timeline for production and
Great. I hope to see
delivery
you.
to the United States? So I think we already answered that question. The production time is more or less 3 months from now.
And
Yeah.
regular delivery to states is about also depending if on the Roro, let's say to Chicago, not Chicago, sorry, to Baltimore, then it's about even 2 weeks for the ship. But if we have to deliver it to Florida, then it takes 2 weeks extra, I believe. So depending where, this
Yes.
will be Corey. We can discuss this individually. But let's say 3 months of lead of the production, and then about a month to deliver. Yes, there is a cover. There is a cover. We didn't show it, but we're gonna have
Yes.
photos of that cover. It is. I forgot to mention about that.
This is a tarpaulin cover
Yes.
with a soft material cover, but still very durable. It is included
In the price.
in the price, so you can feel safe with your screen having it covered and secured and well protected. Where is
In
the
Orlando.
show?
The show is in Orlando.
Yes, Orlando.
Yes, Tony, I'm also excited to get you those two platforms. We used to be a dealer in Baltimore. Who can we speak with to revisit our agreement? I think this is something we will discuss individually. You can just always email us, and then we will take care of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cover will be presented afterwards.
Yeah, we're gonna show you some marketing photos.
Yes, of course.
Yes, our marketing department will send out some newsletters and the brief of this webinar, and also of course this webinar video is going to be available on YouTube channel and all the social media sources there, so you can watch it once more, have everything referred once more here for the webinar. So also there's going to be all the features once more repeated.
Where is the show? In Orlando.
Yes, the show is in Orlando.
Or maybe he's asking about this show.
Hello, Agata.
A good customer.
All right. Okay, waiting a little bit more for any other question. Yeah, I guess you're right, Bartek. I think JC is asking where is this
Show, yeah.
In
right?
Orlando.
Yes, here in Poland.
What is the best email to reach you directly? It's sales@screenled.us. How did previous webinar went? Very
Yeah,
well.
it went quite well, of course.
Yeah.
We liked it. All of those webinars will be available to see. I don't know how our marketing guys will solve it, but they will be available to see, I don't know, on
YouTube,
YouTube or on
yes.
our Facebook,
I
but
think we already have some videos available
Yeah, there
are
are
On-
two
on-
for the
previous,
previous.
three previous.
On Facebook, right?
Yes, we
Yeah.
already have on Facebook. There is going to be update, of course, and also, as I said before, our marketing department will send out some newsletter, so you will have a brief to take a look at once more.
Okay. Do you guys have any questions more? Or are there going to be more of those in the future? You make it kind of good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yes,
Do you
of
mean
course.
webinars?
Yeah, I'll leave webinars.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
there
going
is
to be
in
more
June.
webinars. There's going to be more trailers to be shown. We already have our
More meeting with us.
really good selling products like platform LED, mobile LED, mini platform LED. There is container LED. So there's a lot to show you guys.
We are also working on new
Yeah.
projects, new services that we want to give you. So we will be also informing you about this, because not only we are improving our products but also service. And about
After
this
sales care.
we will be talking a little bit later, and we will be giving you more details later. Right now we are not allowed to talk about it, but the plans are really ambitious. So stay tuned with us.
Yeah, stay tuned.
The stabilizers are manual. Are you talking about outriggers or?
Yeah, I guess Marco is asking about the outriggers. The outriggers are permanently attached to the trailer chassis, but you are pulling them out manually. Very sturdy and durable, and lets you have your trailer set on the ground very, very stably.
Maybe you guys have a comments on the video clip that you've seen in the beginning of our webinar. Did you like it? The journey in our company?
Yes, I guess we made it like 1 week ago or so.
Last Friday it was
Yeah,
actually.
it was actually last Friday.
So
Yeah, that
was-
was a good idea of our CEO to have
You're advertising
this
our
video
company.
advertising.
Yeah.
It's give you
not even advertising
opportunity to
even,
have
but
a
showing
glance.
us from inside.
Yes.
Many of people who are contacting us, they didn't know that we are doing many of the things here, that we are
Yes.
actually producing everything from the beginning here. They thought that we are getting the frames from China, for example. They had no
that's not the
idea.
case.
So, you know,
Yes,
it's a very good idea
everything-
that we showed that here.
Exactly. Everything is made here with qualified workers using very quality materials, and everything starts here in our production facility. So you had the opportunity to have a glance into our production
Yeah.
and see how
Our
it all
constructions
works.
guys, how
Yes.
do they design everything?
Yeah, there was some fire on the video. It was very exciting, and we are very
Yeah, so the
excited.
assembly line is
and
here.
Yeah,
You don't have to worry.
yeah, we are
Everything
very proud
is
of this.
done here on the spot.
So if somebody
Just
cannot
for you.
come to visit us and see how the production goes, to grant it yourself in the decision that this is the company we would like to go with. I mean, the customers. Yeah, the video helps a lot here, and
Yeah, because we have a good drone pilot, like Marco noticed.
yes, thank you, Marco.
Okay, guys, so I think it's about to finish. So if you have any feedback of this webinar, of this version of the webinar, also we will be very grateful if you will share it with us. And remember about this special date, the 10th of April.
Yeah.
The good offer for the Simplet is finishing or starting, the good option for you of your investment, and also the price of the regular trailers. All orders placed within 10th of April will have those special prices. After that, we are forced to change.
Yeah, regardless if it is a Simplet or any other product,
Yes,
you are
but
going to
Simplet,
get.
you know, this is something different. The price still 44,000 is still
very special
yeah.
price. It is very affordable. It's really a steal with a Simplet here, having all-in-one solution. Don't miss the chance, guys, because this is
15%, that's not a thing
yes,
that
yes,
come up every
yes,
day.
exactly. So,
Okay, thank you so much, guys. You have a nice day or evening, and thank you. I hope to see you guys very soon.
yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Okay.
Stay tuned. Take
Thank you.
care.
Bye bye.